Today we will learn how to count the number of squares. First, we will take the first type. And what is the first type? When the number of rows are not equal to the number of columns. Suppose we have this figure, and we have to count the total number of squares in this figure. Unless you know the short trick, which I'm going to tell you, I'm sure you will find it difficult and you will definitely make a mistake, because we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4 threes are 12, but then this is also a square. This is a square also. Then this is a square also. So it is difficult to count the number of squares and you are bound to make mistake. Now let me tell you the trick how to find the number of squares. Now the first type is when the number of rows are not equal to the number of columns. Now let us see in this one. Now the number of rows are 3, 1, 2, and 3. And the number of columns are 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now how do you do it? First of all, number of rows multiplied by number of columns. So we have 3 rows and 4 columns in this figure. So 3 into 4 makes 12. Now next, keep reducing the number of rows one by one, and you keep reducing the number of columns also one by one while calculating. So after reducing 3 by 1, we get 2. So 2 multiplied by 4 reduced by 1, we get 3. So 2 multiplied by 3, we get 6. Now we have then again reduce it, and we will keep on reducing till we get the product 0. So 2 minus 1 is 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. Now when we reduce 1 from 1, we get 0. And from 2, if we reduce 1, we get 1. So 1 into 0 is 0. So we stop over here. Now let us count the number of squares. 12 plus 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. So 20 squares is our answer. Now let us see type 2. Now type 2 is the one when the number of rows are equal to the number of columns. See this figure. We have 4 rows and we have 4 columns. Now this is type 2. How to calculate the total number of squares in a figure like this when we have same number of rows and columns? It's very easy. We have 4 rows and 4 columns. So when we have the same number of rows and columns, we have 4. Maximum is 4 columns. Maximum number of rows is also 4. So we will take first 4 square. It will be 16. Then after 4, we'll do 3 square. We'll have 9. Then 2 square, we'll keep reducing by 1. It will be 4. And then 1 square, it will be 1. So now the total number of squares will be 20 when we add all. How easy it is. Don't you think it is so easy? So wait for some more videos from my side. Please do like and subscribe. And also tell your friends about it. Thank you very much. See you in my next one. Bye-bye.